Welcome back to a new episode. Today we are in Kültürpark, Alsancak at the photograph exhibition to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of the Republic of Turkey. This is the current mayor of Izmir named Tunç Soyer and all the previous mayors of Izmir. This part of the exhibition is focused on Atatürk, the founder of the Republic of Turkey. This exhibition is showcasing all the major events which happened in the Republic of Turkey in 100 years and also focused on Izmir. These pictures are showing Izmir in 1930. For example, this is a picture of Izmir Cordon. And this is a picture of the Izmir harbor. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. See you in the next episode.